Some people ask me, how do I get my coffee while camping? And I'm going to show you how. We have a Stanley 6-cup percolator, and it's very simple to use. You have this device inside. You fill the pot up with water. It takes about 6 cups. There's a maximum fill line and a minimum fill line, so I'm going to go ahead and fill this. Just right at 2 bottles. Then we're going to go ahead and put this in. We have a coffee filter. You don't have to use a coffee filter, but it helps that you don't have any grounds, coffee grounds in your coffee. So we're just going to force a hole through and then push it down in there. So we go ahead and pre-measure our coffee to make it a little bit easier while camping. Save some space. Once that's in there, you're going to just put this on the fire and it'll start boiling up, and you'll be able to look at it here. When it gets a coffee color, you'll know it's finished. On the left, the water is boiling, and on the right, the coffee is ready. Hey Dustin, how's the coffee?
Let's see. It's good.
Thank you.